Master the alphabet. Sorting single letters in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating adventure into the world of the English alphabet, specifically sorting single letters alphabetically. This essential skill is not only vital for understanding alphabetical order, but also for locating words in a dictionary, organizing data, and much more. Before we dive into sorting letters, let's make sure we're all on the same page regarding the English alphabet. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters, 5 of which are vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and the rest are consonants. These letters are written in a specific order, which is what we call the alphabetical order. Now, let's focus on the order of these letters. Starting from A and ending at Z, the English alphabet follows this sequence: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is known as the alphabetical order. It's an incredibly important tool for organizing and finding words or data, whether it be in a dictionary, an index, or a library. Let's say we have a random jumble of letters, like this: F, A, D, M, Z, K. How do we sort these letters in alphabetical order? It's simple. Just match each letter to its corresponding place in the alphabet. In our case, the sorted order of these letters would be A, D, F, K, M, Z. Practice makes perfect. Let's have a quick exercise. Try to sort these letters alphabetically: R, M, B, Y, C, G, S. The solution will be provided at the end of the video. Sorting letters alphabetically might seem like a small skill, but it forms the backbone of much of our organizational systems. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to sort single letters alphabetically in English. Keep practicing with different sets of letters and soon it will become second nature to you. And remember, the answer to our practice exercise is B, C, G, M, R, S, Y. If you got it right, congratulations. If not, don't worry, just keep practicing. Thank you for joining us today and keep up the good work on your English language learning journey. We'll see you in our next video.